So you build a very simple application with what you've learned over the days. A very simple application that is the MTN bundle. Okay. You'll be using the switch case, the ethos and that sort to build this very simple application. Okay. So I'm doing it assignment. Assignment. I'm just saving it right here. Okay. You already know about the other files. So quickly just get going. Okay. So I'm using namespace std. The pretend type data is already there. Okay. So our variables that we'll be declaring for this program, we say that dialing *138 and then we are following all the instructions that will be coming. A very simple application from the MTN. Okay. So the variables are so plenty for now, so I'm declaring as and when the needs arise. Okay, so I've now only declared only one variable. I'm calling it option 1. Option 1 actually. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to start with a very simple print telling the person to dial 138 to get access to MTN bundle. That's a very simple print. And when I'm done printing, I'm going to allow the user to enter a number so that I'll get as an input, and the number will be *138. Okay, so we accept the user input, and then we're going to say that if the user input, that is option 1, is equal to 138, then what do we do when it is equal to 138? We write a bunch of our statements or quotes. We want the application to do, the person that has the right one. So we just have to handle the else part, where this just two conditional, so that's why it's an if else statement. So if the person doesn't dial *138, we just print a very simple message to the person so the person could dial again. Dial the wrong gates. Bundle, please. Okay. This is just what we want to tell the user in case the person does a very wrong digits. So when the person does the right digits, this is what happens. We are going to print this. This is actually from the MTN portal. It says that welcome to the bundle portal, and that's what it is. Okay, let me just bring an escape character and say that welcome to MTN portal. Let me see. I think see welcome to MTN portal. bundle portal. Skip code. And doing this. I'm concatenating this and saying please select an option. Just concatenating all these lines and then I'm saying one, 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 proceed. Proceed to buy. So it's not 4G application. I think I need to bring this one to the skip code. That's where I come to the next line. Because let's bring an headline. Skip code to 2. 2 is number 2 is go to my MTN 4G bonus record. So this is what it says. It's the first thing that it says. So when I'm done with this, now what I have to do is I have to let the user input at least one of these options, either it's option 1 or option 2. And I'm using this as an option 2 for the variables. You see, I'm declaring the variables as I go on. The variables will be very lengthy because the program ain't finished right now. So as I go on, I just declare them. So I receive an input, say it from the user. I'm doing option 2. Okay. Now here too, if the user types in the option, I need to know what is inside the bundle size that I will be needing. So okay, so if the user types 1 for as an option for proceed to buy bundle, no 4G application or applicable 40 course, let's just leave it like that. So when the user types this, types 1, then we are going to have some conditions here inside this if again. Inside this if else, you're going to have another condition. You see that if option 2 is equal to 1, then this is what we are going to do. If option 2 is equal to 1, we will write our codes here. And also we are going to say else if option 2 is equal to 2, because we have 2 of these things that we're going to work on. Because if option 2 is equal to 2, then we write the second go to my MTN bundle application. Yeah, we write those codes right here. Whatever if the person types anything other than that, so we need to also handle that. That is why we need the else. Else you're going to tell the user that it is just a wrong input. Please This is a wrong input. Okay, see, this is what we just put into the user. Let's print in this to the user. That is a wrong input. Okay, now I just end it. So you see, we are having some multiple if else's and if cases, and then if inside an if, that is a nested if. Okay, we have a long way to go. We're going to code for the number 1 and the number 2. Okay, so let's just go on. I hope you are with me and you understand everything. There's just a step-by-step procedure, just making sure that you understand what you're doing. Okay, so now the person presses 1, and then the persons get to, they welcome to bundle portal. Okay, that's where the person is going to buy the bundle. So you're going to see out and you're going to say welcome to bundle portal. Okay, we stop here. I'm just concatenating the center so that we will not. Okay, so let me just bring it to the next line so that you can all understand. So that you can all understand. So number one is buy data. Buy data. Then to the next line, see number 2. Number 2 is number 2. Number 2 is midnight bundles, and 3 is cuckoo bundle. Number 2, midnight bundle. Okay, go to the next page. This line we can see number 3 is cuckoo bundle. To the next line, to number 4 will be okay, there's no 4, so it's a 99 dot. It's more and 0 is back. Okay, so if you press 99, you just get more. And then when you press 0, it takes you back. This is the very simple application that I say. So if you press option 1, that's what it does. So now let me go for option 2 and then let me just run this small application so that we could see. Option 2. Okay. This one just gives you a message. Just give you a message and say you will send an SMS soon. This is just what it does actually. This one is so entered, so I don't want you to come on. Okay. So this is what I have right now. I'm going to just save it and run so that you understand this few lines that then it is assign to.cpp. Saving it in the naming convention is I don't know if you're going to get an error. I don't think so. Okay. Yeah, we are getting an error. Option 2. The way I named it and then I just give it a space when calling it. Let me just run again. Okay. So that's the that 138 gigabytes is 20 bundle, then that 138. It says that welcome to MTN bundle portal. Please select an option and I'll say that proceed to buy bundle. And it says that welcome to the MTN bundle. Press 1 to buy, 2 to use that. Okay, so we've not yet coded for all these things. So I'm just gonna close this and make a very small changes here, right? Not a change actually, but I'm going to clear the screen after I type this. This one actually clears the screen. Okay, so I don't get so many of them over there. I'll copy this line and paste in them. Okay, option 2. See option 2. Okay, let's clear this code. Okay, wherever the user will be accepting an input, I need to bring the blinking point of the insertion point to the next line so that it will be very nice. Okay, so let me save compiler run again. So this is how it is now. So the insertion point is down here because of the / skip character that I gave. And see, so push it to my one. Okay, it's very cool now. Now, let me run again and choose option 2. 138, option 2. You send an SMS soon. So actually, this one too is very much running. For the last one, I think you're going to just code for the buy MTN data, buy data. That is option 1 here. You're coding for this one, and then you continue. I believe you can do it. So now, if you are going to code for this, the person needs to also again input an option. And here I'm just going to give it an option 3. See, these local variables. I'm just naming it again option 3. So the third option now. You've not used a switch right now. So here you would have to use a switch case. You'd have to use a switch case because it's plenty. And then if we are to use an if else, the code will be too lengthy. Okay, so we are going to use a switch case here so that the code will be cute and then okay. So I'm going to do cin. I'm accepting the user input for the cin option 3. I'm taking option 3 for the user. Now, if I take option 3 for this user, I would have to switch option 3. If I switch option 3, what I have to do is bring a couple of cases, like case 1. If it is the person presses 1, that is case 1. What should it be doing? What should the code be doing? So case 1, and then this is like uh, codes here. Okay, then you do a break to get out of the loop one, get out of the case when the person presses one. You do what is inside the quotes here, and then it breaks. Then it leaves all the switch statements and back to the end. Okay. Now if the person presses case 2, then we do the same thing, code here, and we again break. Let me do these cases here so that my code will be arranged a bit nice. Okay, so the break will be here, and then I come to case 3. Case 3, my codes here, and I do my break. Okay, see the switch cases inside of this listed if. So it is within this that I am working. I'm going to switch all the buy data, midnight bundle, cocoa bundle, and then more. I want to switch that so that the code will be very simple. So case 99. So case 99. Oh, sorry, case 99, and I'm saying that these are the codes, and then I'll break. Now do case 0, and I'll do my codes here, and I'll do the break. Okay, so I'm going to only go for the case 1 for now. If you like this video, I will continue. Just like and subscribe this video, and share it as far as you can. Share this video, let people see, to help them too. Yeah, actually. So what I'm doing is, if the person presses number 1, what is to come? Let me see from the MTN bundle what is actually here. It is saying that when the person presses case 1, then buy bundle, set some offers come. It is saying that please enter your choice. Buy for self and buy for 2. Number 2 is buy for others. Okay. Buy for self and buy for others. This thing is very lengthy. Wow. Okay. 1,000 lines of code. So if the person that presses 1, it brings this. Welcome. Select an option. That is right. That's say, and then it is bring this 1, buy for self, and then number 2 is buy for, what is buy for self, number 2 buy for others. Okay, let me just take this in this line. Okay, so when you're buying for self, see these 2, we can also use a switch case, or we can either use an if else, right? And an if else would be very cool here. That would be very cool here. I forgot this. You have to bring a default statement in case the person fails to tie any of the numbers specified. Then we see our code to be here, and then that's it. There's no break over there. Okay, so I'm just doing the number, right? So seeing an option has just a need has just arise for me to bring a variable because user is going to enter something. So it will be option 4. Remember, this is a beginner's lesson. Okay, there would have been a much more easier and good cool way than this that we could go around it, but beginner's lesson we have to understand these basic things. Okay, so this is option 4. Option 4. Okay, now option 4. Now I have accepted that option 4, and I'm saying that if option 4 is equal to 1, the same thing that we've started over and over again. There's a couple of ifs and switch cases. That's what you do. So if the person says I'm buying for self, then what do we do? Going to see what the code says. It's very lengthy, but I know that we can just proceed to buy data and then buy data and then buy for self. So select data, buy for self is saying that see out here saying select data, bundle. Okay, I'll just do this here. Okay, it's saying that number 1 is flexi 0.0329. Number 1 flexi bundle, and flexi bundle is just at the next line it is saying 0.0329. Okay, it's also inside this search bracket. Okay, let's see this. Let's open this to that. Let's clear the screen right here. Okay, let me end this. Number 2 0.5 Ghana 0.5 at 24 megabyte. Okay, so basically the code is too lengthy. We will get to it in the next part, I think. Okay, we get to see option 4. What is that declaration, man? Okay, we're not going to see. Okay, so we will see to the next part in the next sections. Okay, so let's just stay tuned to and believe that It's feeling if I can actually do it. Okay. 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 Alright. Okay. Searching option 2. Showing the default. Let's show it into so switch. Let's here. Switch as a so it what I see. Yeah. And you have an error that I must see. I'm not really reading what the error says. I'm gonna read it. So what did it say to me? There's not saying anything wrong. It's not saying anything's wrong. Let me see this. The other one. Okay. There's the ethos. Else. This one is for if option 2 is equal to 1, then see how it comes to 1. Change 99. Then again, set option 3. Switch option 3. Case 1. To case 2. Let me see this. 61st. So you can't to the brick. Search. Okay, pin is better answer. Okay, okay.
Yun na.
So basically, it is telling me because I put the default statement. I better hope that is not it. Okay, so why is it LC, LC, LC? Ew. No, the bargain list ends at sales missing test an ending bracket. I don't know how that's changed, but see, this is our part of programmer's life. You're gonna suffer sometimes, and just have to be vigilant when you're coding. Because, yeah. So basically, this is it. The lecture that I have coded for is it. I'm hoping to see you again. Okay, thank you. And please subscribe to my channel. You got more joy. Thank you.